Ndeewo. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are pretty much welcome. My name is Onyinyechi, and here we learn Igbo language. Okay, we teach you how to get fluent with your Igbo language speaking. Okay, so from the title of this video, you already know what we'll be talking about now. Yes, romantic sweet names, those cute names, those amazing names you can call your woman, be it your wife, your girlfriend, your fiance, you can call her these names. Okay, so guys, men, learn all these names so that you can be calling your wife, you can be calling your woman. And ladies, please share this video to your man so that he can learn names that he'll be calling you that will torture your body. Okay, don't watch alone. No, don't watch alone. Send to him so that he will also learn. All right, so let's begin. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, it doesn't cost anything. Yes, go ahead, click on that subscribe button, turn on your bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified that I have uploaded a new video, and like this video as well. Okay, so let's start. The first one here is anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ means morning sun. Morning sun. So when you call your woman anyanwụ ụtụtụ, hey, it means that she's glowing, she's shining, she's beautiful, she's like extraordinary sweet. Anyanwụ ụtụtụ. So anyanwụ means sun, ụtụtụ means morning. Okay, so that is anyanwụ ụtụtụ. Asampetem. Asampetem, my beauty. Asampetem or Asam means beauty, my beauty. Asam, beauty. Asampetem, my beauty as well. So it's the same thing with Omalicham. Omalicham, my beauty, fine girl. Omalichanwa, fine girl. Omalicham, Omalicha. So that is Omalichanwa, beauty, beautiful girl. Ugom, Ugom, my pride. Ugom, my pride. Ugebem, Ugebe oyibom. Ugebe oyibom, my foreign mirror. Ugebe oyibom, my foreign mirror. Then the next one is ihunanya ndum, the love of my life. Ihunanya ndum, the love of my life. Already, ihunanya means my love. Ihunanya, my love. Ihunanya, my love. So ihunanya ndum or ihunanya ndum, the love of my life. Akwanwa, akwanwa, sweet egg, like beautiful egg. Egg, priceless egg. You wouldn't want it to break. So akwanwa, you're kind of pampering her, carrying her like egg, because aqua is egg. So when you say akwanwa, so it means priceless egg. Okay. Oyolimanwa, hey. Oyolimanwa means that your baby is full. Your baby jureju. Jureju means something that is full. So when you call your woman oyolimanwa, oyolimanwa, like she has it all in and out. You get like oyolimanwa, oyolimanwa, beautiful woman, beautiful baby. Then the next one is oyoyom. Oyoyom. Oyoyom means extraordinary beauty. Oyoyom. Oyoyom, extraordinary beauty. Tomato juice. Tomato juice. So when you call your woman tomato juice, it means that your baby is sweet like tomatoes. Do you get? It's fresh, sweet, nice. Tomato juice. So it simply means that she's fresh, very sweet and nice, good looking. So that is it. Omoma asar. That your baby is just bathing for fun. Like she don't need to bath. If she's bathing for fun. She's just bathing because she just wants to bath. But even if she doesn't bath, she's still beautiful. That is omoma asar. She's just bathing. Just to bath. Do you get? But you still need to bath. I beg. Don't come and smell people. Autumn means my fruit. There is a fruit in Igbo land called autumn. The fruit is sweet. Do you get? So it's called autumn, my fruit. So when you call your woman autumn, it simply means my fruits, my sweet fruits. The next one here is enenebejolo. Enenebejolo. Enenebejolo means, when you start looking at this woman, you will not go to work. But brother, you need to go to work. You need to go to work. Come and show us what you have in the pocket. Don't just sit and be looking at this woman. So it simply means that the woman is, just beautiful, like amazingly sweet. When you sit and start looking at her, you will not go to work. You get? So that is what it means. Okay, I've already said Omalecham. The next one is Opuriche Wanyi. Opuriche Wanyi. It means unique woman. Like different woman. She does everything differently. Like she's very nice. She's very good in everything she do, but she does it uniquely. Do you get? She does everything so unique, but sweet as well. Very nice. Opuliche Wanyi. Wunye mama, my good wife. Wunye Oma, my good wife, or just Wunyem, my wife. Odogwu Wanyi, great woman. Odogwu Wanyi, great woman. That means she has done something very, very special. Something very, very great. That's why you are calling her Odogwu Wanyi. Odogwu Wanyi. Hey, Achalugo Wanyi mo. Oyoyo. Wanyi do uto means a woman that is sweet. Wanyi mobim, a woman that knows my heart. Wanyi dikacho, a woman that is the way everybody wants. Wanyi dikacho, So when you call your woman Wanyi dikacho, you are kind of praising her. Do you get? So the next one is Ijele Wanyi. Of course, you can call your woman Ijele Wanyi. It's not just for men. Do you get? Ijele Wanyi. It means, a unique, special woman. Obim, my heart. Manangum, my honey. Manangum, my honey. Obidia, her husband's heart. Obidia, her husband's heart. Nkem, my own. Nkem, my own. Odimnobi, the one in my heart. Then the next one is Nwa, baby. Oledum, my gold. Oledum, my gold. Babandum, my star. Babandum, my star. Ndum, my life. Ndum, my life. Uto dia. Her husband's sweetness. So when your man call you Uto dia, hey, Asa Wanyi. Asa, you know Asa is beautiful now, like beauty. Beautiful woman, that is Asa Wanyi. Asa Wanyi, Onyoyo nwanyị ọma. Nwanyị mara mma, a woman that is beautiful. Nwanyị dị ka achọ. Nwanyị dị ụtọ. Nwanyị ji obi m, a woman that holds my heart. Do you get? So that is it, guys. That's where we're going to stop for today. Of course, I'm going to do romantic sweet names for men, okay? So just wait and watch. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing as well. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and also like this video, share this video, comment in the comment section, tell me that particular name you really love in this video, okay? I'll be so glad to know that you love those videos, okay? All right, so see you guys later in my next video. Bye.